friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hi little friends, it's great to be finally here again with you all. Here we are today having a really exciting topic, as we always do something exciting and special here in Fun Drawing with Piali. Today's topic: draw a story picture of the story Three Pigs and the Big Bad Wolf. So are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. My little angels, the anonymous fable or fairy tale of this story, Three Little Pigs, is one of those classical anonymous tales which, we at least hear and have read when we were very young. And I think you guys also have read. Almost everyone knows the story of Three Little Pigs. But it is one of those stories that you can hear again and again. It's lovely, isn't it? So, let us listen to this story now. My little friends, so while we are drawing this very easy and simple drawing, let us now hear the story. This is the story of Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs, and the time came for them to seek their fortunes and build their houses. The first little pig built house of straw, while the middle brother decided to build a house of sticks. They were done with building their house very quickly and without much hard work. The third pig, who was the oldest among them, decided to build a house of bricks. He didn't mind doing some hard work because he wanted a strong house, as he knew that in the woods nearby there was a wolf who liked to catch three little pigs and eat them up. So when the three houses were finished, they sang and danced happily the whole day. After enjoying a lot, just as the first pig reached his door, a big bad wolf popped up from the woods. The little pig got scared and quickly hid in his house made of straws. The big bad wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house down in minutes. Seeing this, the little pig ran to his middle brother's house made of sticks. The wolf now came to his house and huffed and puffed and blew the house down in hardly any time. Now both of the terrified pigs ran into their oldest brother's house, which was made of bricks. Now kids, the exciting part, the final part. So get ready to have some thrill if you haven't read it yet. The big bad wolf tried to huff and puff and blow the third house down. But he couldn't. He kept trying for hours, but the house was very strong and all the three pigs were safe inside because it was made out of brick. He tried to enter through the chimney, but the third pig boiled a big pot of water and kept it below the chimney. The wolf fell into it and died. The two young pigs felt sorry for being so lazy while building the houses. They also built their house with brick afterwards, and all the three pigs lived happily ever after. So, what is the moral of this story? Never shy away from doing hard work, as the hard work always pays off. Earliest version, kids, takes place in Dartmoor with 3 pixies and a fox before its best known version appears in English Fairy Tales by Joseph Jacobs in 1890, with Jacobs crediting James Halliwell and Phillips as the source. So that was like kind of who have written the story and the origination of the story. So my cute angels, we really hope that you enjoyed today's storyboard drawing and these interesting stories and facts here. And don't forget to share me how you enjoyed reading this story or maybe drawing this story. So till we meet next week with an exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye-bye.